We've just spotted our hotel, Hotel Monterey, right by there. And I believe check-in is on the 22nd floor. So let's hop over there now. We have arrived. Okay, thank you. So we've arrived. I'll do a full room tour in just a second once we settle in for a little bit. See you in a second. So we've just arrived here at the Hotel Monterey Grasmere in Osaka. We're going to go and do a quick room tour of our room, which is 2834. So let's go in. As soon as you come in, there is a vanity mirror there. Hello. We've got some complimentary slippers on the floor. Let's start in the bathroom, shall we? So we've got standard Japanese toilet bathroom with a bidet function. We have got quite a few amenities actually. Body towels, headbands, combs, razors, cotton buds, toothbrushes, and mouthwash as well. There's a sink, got hand foam there, nice mirror on the wall, shower there over the bath, got a few body washes, shampoos, conditioners there, quite a few towels. Then as we go into the main room, so this is a family room, so we've got a triple room, so 3 single beds. We've also got a few chairs there as well, where Holly's sitting down after a long flight to get here. TV. Let's have a look what we've got in here. Okay, tea and coffee making facilities. Oh, a vanity mirror there. Is this what you want me to talk about, Holly, that vanity mirror? Okay, I guess it's not plugged in, but I'm assuming the light will come on when we press that. Notepads, laundry bags, information about spa treatments and the hotel there. Okay, oh yeah, and they also give Holly this little gift when we checked in as well. So we'll have a look at that later, yeah? It's got plugs there, hairdryer, some tissues, 3 complimentary bottles of water. There's, looks like a pod coffee machine, drip pod, with 4 different types of coffees in there. Got wardrobe here, some coat hangers. That's about it. Don't know what that is. Maybe Febreze or something. Fabric and air freshener. Haven't really seen that in a hotel before. Let's take a look at the view. So we're on floor 28, so we have got a pretty high floor. And it's actually a really good view of the city as well. So this is a city view room. But yeah, I'm quite impressed by that view. And then one last look at the room here. So the 3 beds. Oh, and we've also got some pajamas. There, set of pajamas each. What's this saying? Dear guests, protect the environment. Okay, so about how they do the laundry. Telephone, 2 plugs by there. Anything in here? No, that doesn't open. And that's it. Quick, that's our tour of the Hotel Monterey Grasmere in Osaka in the Namba area. If you are interested, I actually booked this hotel via trip.com. In fact, every hotel we're staying at during this trip to Japan was booked via trip.com. I found them to have the best prices from everywhere I was looking at when I came to booking this holiday. If you are interested in this hotel, I will leave a link in the description down below to it, or you can also scan this QR code on the screen here, which will take you directly to this hotel's page on trip.com.